Friends, my name is Bharat. Welcome to Bharat's Mathematics. Today the topic is Euclid's division algorithm. This method invented by Euclid's. They was mathematician, okay, and their method is useful to determine the value of highest common factor. Let us see. So, dear friends, we are understanding this method of determine the value of highest common factor, that is HCF, through two examples. Okay, let us see. The first question: find highest common factor of 135 and 225 using Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, first of all we start the procedure, and for these two numbers we have to determine that which number is less and which number is greater. That means we need to compare these two numbers. Okay, so we observed 225 is greater than 135. Okay, dear friends, we are using general division method, okay, to determine the value of highest common factor. As we know that dividend is equal to division into quotient plus remainder. We know very well it was the original method to make division. Okay, so we will consider the higher number, that is 225, as dividend. Okay, and the lower number, that is 135, we consider it is divisor. Okay, now we are getting the value of quotient and remainder. Okay, let us see. 225 is divided to 135. I hope that approximately 1 times 135 okay. Now further it cannot be divided, so quotient is 1 and remainder is 90. We place this value there. Okay, quotient is 1 and remainder is 90. Now dear friends, in the next step, the divisor we consider as dividend. Okay, and the remainder, that is 90, we consider as divisor. Now the same procedure, that we have to determine the value of quotient and value of remainder. Dear friends, we need to continue this procedure until we get remainder 0. Okay, now divisor is 90, dividend is 135. Sorry, one times. We received quotient 1 and remainder is 45. Okay, we putting this value. Quotient we have received 1 and remainder is 45. Now the same thing we repeated, because until now we did not receive remainder 0. Okay, so now divisor becomes dividend and remainder becomes divisor. Okay, here 90 is dividend and 45 is divisor. Now we determine the value of their quotient and remainder. we know very well that 2 times 45 will be 90, and we now received remainder 0 and quotient is 2. So I am putting this value, quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. Okay, now this step has completed. So the last value of divisor will be the highest common factor, that is HCF. Okay, now remainder becomes 0 and divisor 45 is HCF. Okay, this is answer of this question. Dear friends, we for explain better, I have taken one more example. Okay, find highest common factor of 40 and 36 using Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, and as the same procedure, we have given two numbers and we have to make its comparison, that which number is greater and which number is less. Okay, so here we have observed that number 40 is greater than 36. Okay, number 40 is greater than number 36. So we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now the same procedure we have to follow, that we have considered dividend the greater number, that is 40, and the divisor the less number, that is 36. Dividend greater number and divisor lesser number. Okay, now I am determining the value of quotient and remainder. Only one times remainder is 4. So we find quotient is 1 and remainder is 4. I am putting the value, quotient is 1 and remainder is 4. Now I am putting the value of divisor to dividend for the next step, and the value of remainder I am putting to divisor. Okay, so now 36 becomes divisor and 4 becomes divisor. 36 becomes dividend and 4 becomes divisor. Now again I am getting the value of quotient and remainder for this thing. Okay, so I have received quotient 9 and remainder 0. Okay, the value of quotient becomes 9 and now remainder becomes 0. And as the previous example, we understood that we needs to repeat the steps until we get remainder 0. Okay, so this is the last step. Now the last divisor, that is 4, becomes highest common factor. Okay, it is our answer. Now remainder becomes 0 and divisor 4 is HCF, that is highest common factor. That is our answer. Thank you for looking this video. How do you feel about this video? If you like this video, then after completion of this video, please press the icon like and also subscribe this channel to get more updates about mathematics basic fundamental. Thank you. Have a good day ahead. Jai Hind.